what we want.
Let's have a threesome, you and a blunt. I love your titties cause they prove I could focus on two things at once. I'm out of the that ass busting out the bottom.
I'm about to have a shoot today. Y'all can see it in the back. The outfit is orange, so we're going for like an orangish makeup style day. Okay. All right, let's get us started. So I have aloe vera on my face right now. I don't really have much, so we're gonna prime. All right. Okay.
And I zoom right on past my problems. Any in my
Dab, dab. But you know, I'm gonna dab some concealer on both sides of the brush.
Fall off in the spot, they be saying, oh, all them hating bitches staring, they be asking, oh, and I'm posted in the function like a motherfucking poster. Mobbing with my bitches, we look like La Costa Nostra. I do it how I'm supposed to, I do it how I want it. In the back of the party, still rolling marijuana, floating around the party, music.
The shade that we're gonna go for today, you see that?
I got your boyfriend inhaling my weed smoke. He buy me the shit he couldn't get you though. He couldn't get it for you though. Ice on my wrist, that's nice. Your boyfriend.
I know it's a lot better than that, but you know what? Fuck it. I realize I probably can't curse on this thing, so my bad. We're just gonna bleep it out, like, you know, like right now.
Got my hips swaying, the DJ dropped the beat, now all the girls are saying, hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. Hold my fucking phone, it's I hear my songs. If you ain't come to dancing, why the fuck did you come? You paid to get up in this bitch, but standing there looking dumb. You're posted with your friends against the wall. Keep looking at your phone, knowing ain't nobody called.
Now, this method may not work for everybody, but it works for me.
Shit from the motherfucking outlet, let her hand go. You ain't gotta cuff your spouse if she wanna have a good time. That's why she keep on shouting.
Head in my direction, like I'm looking through you, skipping through the preview, holding my attention. Now I wanna hold you, bring your body close to me. I just wanna taste it, touching on the feeling, have it for the weekend. Testing on my patience, throw me in a deep end, see if I can swim in you. All night, trying to paint a picture of you in my mind, but you're a color that don't exist. What are you? I hear sounds you make with my lips. What are you? I'm getting so close to coming to my senses, coming to my senses, coming to my senses, coming to my senses. My imagination turned into existence only in an instant. A beautiful creation. You were something different. Now I go to distance. All night, trying to paint a picture of you. What are you? I hear sounds you make with my lips. What are you? I'm getting so close to coming to my senses, coming to my senses, coming to my senses, coming to
guns. I got a chopper, a one-on-one. Try to judge me a metric ton. He'll crop down and then he hung. Fuck around and you gon' see the mob. Tell my niggas so wacky, they do the job. I've been finessing, I'm hella fraud. I've been pimping on a better broad. Young nigga, I be drippin' hard. I need my back in, yeah, that back in, yeah, I'm talking 100 large. I'ma stun hard with the whole gang, we might pull up 100 cars. I'ma do my thing, I'ma maintain, I'm a real nigga, don't fuck with y'all. I can get you in with one car. Shop sprees when I'm in the mall. Got a bad bitch, she gon' buy it all. I'ma spin a check, get the neck, get up different eyes just like a fucking dog. Niggas start down on the dime, but me, I ain't going to stop tall. I need a bag, I'ma get it all. I run up beside you. I put my hands in the trap, niggas talk a lot of shit, but I know it's cap. I keep my eyes on my money and my bitch and my light, what's up with that? She wanna fuck around with a boss nigga with them hundreds, what's up with that? Yo, what's up with that? I run up beside you. I put my hands in the trap, niggas talk a lot of shit, but I know it's cap. I keep my eyes on my money and my bitch and my light, what's up with that? She wanna fuck around with a boss nigga with them hundreds, what's up with that? Yo, what's up with that? Shawty me senora, yellow senorita. You can't talk to her, she don't really fuck with people. She so gone off that Henny and that margarita. She a freak, give me head when I'm off the feeder. 59 coming down, keep it burning when I ride around. Peas on me, keep it safe and sound. I ain't talking shit, I'm finna run it out. Keep the trap closed like a 100 house. Cell phone booming, plays bustin' out. Burn it down, got it down to run around. I don't give a fuck what it's talking about.
We never stop, watch shit don't never stop. She don't ever stop, okay, bitches? She don't ever stop.
I'm with a boss nigga with them hundreds, what's up with that? Yo, what's up with that? I run up beside you. I put my hands in the trap, niggas talk a lot of shit, but I know it's cap. I keep my eyes on my money and my bitch and my life.
Safe, code to the safe, code to the safe, safe. I show 'em how to network. Fuck that Netflix and chill, what's your net worth?
Cause I want you.
Shorty, I just wanna roll with you, wanna glow with you, grow with you, stun on hoes with you, toe to pole with you, tryna whip that out of ya, ayy, 2 with you, tryna ice your ring, finger out and go, with you. Shorty, I'm your Nelly, you my Kelly, or I'm your Bunty, you my Keisha, we on belly, we bossed up together, ain't shit they can tell me, we ball hard together, ain't nobody ready, I fuck my bitch up in the coupe, cause that's just how we move. Shorty, I do this just for you, this ain't nothing new. My little shorty forever, it's just me and you. My little shorty forever, it's just me and you. Okay, I just sit a slave for my bitch. Shorty, we gon' be okay, just let me feel your wish. Baby girl gon' rap with me.